Thank you so much for coming to my channel. So stoked. So get your watercolors out. It doesn't matter what you have. It can be cheap, they can be expensive. Get a couple round brushes. Those can be cheap and expensive too. Doesn't matter. Make sure that you are painting on watercolor paper, and we're starting with just wetting the paper first with no color. And as you can see by the painting, I have added very lightly some blues, some greens, and some whites throughout the painting, really lightly, because what happens here with watercolor is that you layer. You just add layers. If you noticed, I've already pulled out my blow dryer and I've dried the piece already. I usually use a blow dryer to speed the process of layering. Pretty much watercolor is about layers. So now I've painted some mountains, and I'm on the second layer of the mountains as well as the clouds in the sky. I'm on the third layer, adding darker greens to the trees so that it gives the front tree a depth, sort of in your face, like zooming into the first tree, and the rear tree is kind of in the background. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions or comments, please, please, please add your comments in the comment area, and I will definitely answer them. Now, it's Christmas 2020, COVID times, so I'm adding just some decorations on the tree. I've decided to go with a little cardinal, and I feel like the white in the snow is not white enough, so I'm out of white watercolor paint. Yeah, because I've used it up. So I'm going to switch over to using acrylic paint on the mountains, just on the tips so they look like snow caps. And then I've decided that I will put in a ice skating rink and some little buildings in the back so it looks like far away. We're doing a snowscape and some buildings from far away. Right, so then I pull out the blow dryer because I can't sit here any longer and wait. I'm very impatient when it comes to paint. And it's time to put on the people. So the people at first are really bright and they look like they're bigger than the buildings. So easy fix with that is after I've painted all my people, I'll go back over them with water and some white acrylic paint, but it's more of a whitewash rather than paint over. And so here's the final piece. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, a like, and or subscribe, and come with me to the next paint party, y'all. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.